but you do not have to open the door, and they do not have the right to search your home without that order signed by a judge. If you see something happening, document it. Take out your phone, record it, stay at arm's length from what's happening. If the officer asks you to back up, then go ahead and back up, but film yourself doing so. Make sure to gather as much information as you can. Badge numbers. If it's somebody that you know, go ahead and let them know that you're going to be looking them up. Their tactic right now is to move you from detention to detention. So there is a website that you can go onto and look up to see where the person is being held. And most importantly, if you are detained, do not sign anything. A lot of people have been getting tricked into signing things, thinking that they're signing one thing and it's really an auto deportation order from a judge that they're agreeing to. Do not sign anything unless you have spoken to your attorney. And most importantly, when you're in detention, make sure to demand an audience in front of an immigration judge. Es tu derecho pedirle una audiencia en frente de un juez de inmigración. That judge must provide you with a list of pro bono attorneys in the area. If the judge keeps asking more information other than just your name and your address, invoke your right to remain silent again and make sure, sorry, the mic. Make sure that you have someone's name memorized and their number, that you can either tell the judge, this is my attorney, if it's an attorney, or the detention center must allow you to make a phone call. And if it's an attorney, that's great. There's also legal aid organizations here in the Tampa Bay area. There is a hotline. I also have the names and numbers of many legal organizations, so if anybody wants to come up afterward, I'd be happy to provide the numbers and the links. And I guess if I could leave you with one thing, remain calm, do not resist. They like to add on criminal charges when you do resist. And most importantly, advocate for yourself. You don't have to do what they say as far as signing things or admitting to things. Remain silent, remain calm, and am I missing anything? Try to remember as much as you can about the interaction. Names, faces, what happened, who was there. And lastly, I guess just don't lose hope. A lot of the times when you go in front of the judge, the law isn't on their side. So as long as you remain calm and you do reach out to somebody who can represent you, the best way would be to inform a family member or have that family member look you up to see which detention you're at, and then you can do a Google search as far as attorneys in that area, because there's attorneys waiting and ready to go to the detention center in the area that you're at, and they will show up and at least at the first audience represent you and give you the advice you need to follow up and follow your case. So thank you all so much. Si tienen alguna pregunta, lo que hablan español, pueden venir a hablar conmigo y yo le aclaro cualquier duda. Gracias.